Hi there. Do you want to improve your speaking skills but don't have hours to dedicate to practice? In this video, I'll share with you some tips on how to improve your speaking skills in just 30 minutes a day. The first tip is to record yourself speaking. Find a topic that you're passionate about and talk about it for a few minutes. Then listen to the recording and take notes of any areas where you can improve. This will help you become aware of your speaking habits and you can work on them. The second tip is to read out loud. Choose an article, a book, or even a blog post and read it loud. This will help you with pronunciation, intonation, and pacing. Plus, it's a great way to expand your vocabulary. The third tip is to watch videos of native speakers. You can find videos on YouTube or other platforms where people speak naturally in their native language. This will help you with your listening comprehension and help you mimic their speech patterns. The fourth tip is to practice with a friend. Find someone who is willing to practice with you and speak in your target language for 30 minutes a day. This will give you an opportunity to practice your speaking skills in a low stress environment. Remember, improving a speaking skill doesn't have to take up hours of your day. By implementing these tips, you can improve your speaking skills in just 30 minutes a day. Remember, practice makes things perfect.